Good afternoon to those who listen. December 2nd, 2025. It's 12:48 p.m. And just to let you guys know, uh, they're doing work on my internet, Mediacom, today. And they just gave me a notice that didn't say exactly when they were starting, but it said it was going to be a 3-hour job. So I'm going to try to get these videos out earlier before that happens. So in this situation right here, we are looking at solar winds coming through. I guess that X 1.9 is actually going to graze Earth after all, and they're talking about G2 to possibly G3 storm coming and more auroras. So if we look at this, it's pretty much starts, it looks like between 9 p.m. and midnight tomorrow UTC time. So that if you go back another 5 hours from that, you would get, actually I think it's 6 hours, you would get Central Time, and then 5 hours would be Eastern Time. All right, so that would make it 9 p.m. to midnight would be 6 hours before, so 3 in the afternoon to 6. So somewhere in the mid to late afternoon, it would start. And then it goes all the way through December 4th, all the way through until 6 to 9. So that would be just past midnight. So it's going to go on for, what was this, 3, 6, 12 hours. So probably from like 3 in the afternoon till 3 in the morning. And still, after that, we're still close to G1 after that. With the 4.33, that's close to G1. But just wanted to let you guys know that there's supposedly this stream coming. This is from World News Reports. Is there anything else on here? He's just talking. Okay, so I'll let him talk at the very beginning here.
The latest known model of yesterday's X2 class solar flare and coronal mass ejection suggests that the coronal mass ejection will not miss Earth after all. The storm cloud could graze our planet on December 3rd. Moreover, the coronal mass ejection will scoop up the solar wind stream just ahead of it created by the coronal hole, adding heft to the potential impact. G2 class or maybe even G3 class geomagnetic storms are possible on December 3rd and 4th. And we do have an Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis alert. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to actually have a show with y'all's pictures, hopefully.
So there's that, which is kind of strange. Let's take a real quick look at the no space weather. So nothing since the big, we had a lot of M's. We had 7 M's in a row, and then we had the big X 1.9, and then after that it went back down to the C's. So pretty quiet, and the KP index is still fairly low, and this is just showing. So we're going to be hit, but it's like a slow, gradual, a little bit of a spike, and then so really, if you want to really look at this, you could say what is this, the 3rd? So even starting maybe early this evening, it will start going up a little bit. But then here's the 4th. So they're saying at this point right here, Well, that's UTC time, so that's, there we go, there's midnight. That would be 6 p.m.-ish. Tomorrow night. And then it looks like it peaks at noon, which would be 6 in the morning on the 4th. So early morning. So late, anywhere from tomorrow, late afternoon, early evening, all the way into early morning of the 4th. December 4th. All right, just thought I'd put that out there. Thanks for watching. Be alert. And we might see some more auroras, or they might create some fake auroras. We don't know. But you got a feeling that might be happening. Thanks for watching. God bless.